take it slow.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back with another video. Right here, we got some Jordan 13 Black Cats. And guess what we finna do? So we got a fog bubble that needs some help. Hey, don't mind that little white spot. Because look, I had all these videos ready to get posted, and they randomly got deleted off my phone. So y'all just gonna have to work with this. And you can easily tell the difference from the left shoe and the right shoe. Had a full restoration video of the before and after of these Black Cats. So let's get into it. Okay, right here, I'm just showing you how big of a difference it is from the good shoe that I ain't had to do nothing to compared to this one. Like, you see how foggy that is? Like, is that a Jumpman or no? Okay, first, get you a hair dryer. It can be any hair dryer. It can be a hair dryer from your mom's cabinet, your sister's cabinet, anything. And what you're gonna do is just hover it over the air bubble. So these always have different settings. I like to put mine on the highest setting and get straight to hovering. But make sure you're careful with this because it can easily ruin the shoe. You can see me keep going back and forth, taking it off, putting it back on, taking it off, putting it back on. Because I don't want to mess anything up. So right here, I was just trying to figure out if I should go another session on it or not. And I said, let's do it. Let's go another one. Once again, do not just have the hair dryer on the bubble. It will mess up the bubble. And there you have it. A full tutorial on how to fix Air Jordan 13 fog bubble. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe to the channel.